WGN's Dana Rebick covering this story for us live from Deerfield this afternoon.
Well, we brought this to the attention of Walgreens corporate. To be clear, this is happening at Walgreens pharmacies, and primarily when people had scheduled their 2 doses at 2 separate locations. The website did allow you to do that. A lot of people did that because it allowed them to secure both of these appointments quickly. But a big issue for some people when they showed up for their 2nd dose and they didn't have the correct vaccine. Hunting for a COVID-19 vaccine isn't easy, so when you finally snag that coveted appointment, it's a relief.
I woke up several mornings early, 5 o'clock in the morning, and I was able to find a first appointment in Island Lake, Illinois, which was scheduled on February 14th.
Karen Trinnell was set up at a Walgreens store for the Moderna shot, but when she got there, they only had Pfizer.
The pharmacist said, well, we have no control of the vaccines we're getting because we get them from the federal government.
Trinnell took the Pfizer shot, but her 2nd appointment was at a different Walgreens in Freeport.
I called the Freeport, Illinois Walgreens, knowing that it's at least 2-hour drive for me. And I said, hey, I'm supposed to be getting my Moderna shot. But what I received was the Pfizer. Do you have any Pfizer on hand? And then I found out, no, they don't have Pfizer.
It's an issue we found is happening at Walgreens across the Chicago area from Lincolnwood to New Lenox, where Susan Hutchinson had a problem with her father's appointments.
With my dad's, when I called 5 days ahead of time, they said they were carrying Moderna, even though he received Pfizer 4 weeks before that.
On the Chicago Vaccine Hunters Facebook page, several people posted the same thing happened to them. One woman who took the day off work to take her mom for her 2nd Pfizer dose this morning showed up, and Walgreens only had Moderna and turned them away.
It's really disheartening, and I feel just irresponsible of a company to be sending people for appointments when in fact that 2nd vaccination does not match the 1st.
We did reach out to Walgreens about this issue. A corporate spokesman says a very small number of patients experienced this issue. We apologize for the inconvenience. We've updated our vaccine scheduler to automatically schedule patients for their 2nd dose at the same location as where they received their 1st dose to ensure a seamless experience for our customers and provide a clearer view of available vaccine inventory. In some cases, we hear Walgreens pharmacists are helping find another location to secure 2nd appointments for people, but at other stores, they are being told there is nothing they can do to help.
It's not just an inconvenience, it's a matter of fitting that 2nd dose in the required amount of time, and appointments are not easy to get.
It seems like the right hand doesn't know what the left hand is doing. The pharmacist apologized later on, but even he was very frustrated because they're getting miscommunication from corporate.
And Walgreens corporate tells us that it is instructing all of its team members to reach out to patients who are affected by this and help them reschedule these appointments. Now, the CDC advises people to not mix and match vaccines, but you do have up to 42 days to get your 2nd dose. So if this happens to you, they're telling people not to panic, that you do have some time to try to reschedule. Live in Deerfield, Dana Rebick, WGN News.